Tea Time Biscuits Cake. Vaidu's special diabetic friendly Tea Time Biscuits Cake is made only with biscuits and Horlicks in disposable cup. Biscuits Cake. Sound interesting? And if you come to know, it's made only with biscuits and Horlicks. No sugar, no flour and no cake mold. Absolutely diabetic friendly Vaidu's special cake recipe. Hello Elise, I am Arunima and welcome to Homely Kitchen with Arunima. Let's see how to make it. Take the Mary biscuits, or you can call it thin Ararid biscuits. Break it by your hand and pour the pieces in the mixer jar. I have used these biscuits because they are easily available in almost every kitchen. You can replace it with another biscuits also. Make a nice powder form and pour it in a mixing bowl. If you want to see another biscuits cake recipe, I will give the link in the I button and in the description box. Do check the Oreo biscuits recipe. Now add the special ingredient Horlicks, which can fulfill the every needs of this cake and make it delicious. Can you think a cake made with Horlicks? Definitely try this cake. Add the baking powder. Mix gently. Gradually add the milk and stir continuously. Make a creamy batter. Stir well to make a lumps-free batter. Now the cake batter is ready. Now take the disposable cups. It is also easily available. Fill the cups 3/4 with batter. Do not fill it fully. You can make the cake in cake molds also. Tap for few times. I am showing another for your ease. It is a unique and special cake recipe for these Vaidus. Make all the cups like that. Preheat a pan with stand for 10 minutes. Now place the cups in the pan. Cover the pan and let it be baked for 45 minutes in medium flame. Now check the cake with a skewer. And the cake is perfectly baked. Let it be cooled. If you want, you can unmold it or you can serve the cake in the cups. I am showing to unmold the cake. See how perfect it is. a soft spongy cake. I can assure you nobody will understand the components of the cake. Make the cake in the white doodh and enjoy the special occasion with this special easy to make tea time cake. Have you found this video helpful? Don't forget to like and share this video and comment down below, have you enjoyed this diabetic friendly biscuits cake recipe or not? If you are new in my channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon and set to all to get notification of the more exciting recipes. Follow me on Instagram to know the upcoming recipe beforehand. Okay Alice, that's all for today. Meeting you in next Tuesday with a Diwali special recipe. Till then, bye.